chair. I sit on the chair. Tables. I eat on the table. Bags. I carry book in my bag. Pens. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. Book. I read a book. I read a book. Night. I watch TV at night. Fan. I use a fan when it is hot. Lamp. I turn on the lamp. Cameras. Camera. I take photo with my camera. Phone. I call my friend with the phone. Computer. I use a computer at school. Radio. Radio. I listen music on the radio. Tablet. I play game on my tablet. Soap. I wash my hand with soap. Toothbrush. I use toothbrush every morning. Towel. Towel. I dry my face with a towel. Cup. Cup. I drink tea in a cup. Plate. Plate. I eat rice from a plate. Door. Door. I open the door. I open the door. Window. Window. I look outside the window. Bed. Bed. I sleep on the bed. I sleep on the bed. Clock. Clock. I check the time on the clock. I check the time on the clock. Mirror. Mirror. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. Spoon. Spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. knife, knife. I cut bread with a knife. I cut bread with a knife.